Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Carwow. I'm sat in a Porsche 911 991.2 GT3 and next to me is a Bentley Continental GT. Why are we doing this? This is a GT car, that is a GT car, but two very different takes on GT. One Bentley, one Porsche. So let me tell you about this car. It has a 4-litre naturally aspirated flat 6 engine with 500 horsepower and 460 newton meters of torque. It's got a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox which drives the rear wheels only. Weighs in 1,460 kilos, and this car, if you want to buy it now, about £100,000. That Bentley, well, it's a lot heavier. It weighs 2,244 kilos. It's also more expensive. £163,000 for one of those new. It's powered by a 6-litre W12 twin turbo with 635 horsepower and 900 newton meters of torque. It's got all-wheel drive and an 8-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. Both cars have launch control, so it's fair to drag race them, right? It's going to be interesting to see what happens actually. Before we get into the race, I want to introduce the driver of the Bentley to you. It is, of course, Yianni from Yianni. You right, Yan?
How you doing, mate?
Hi Matt, how are you? You okay?
Sorry, I was on my phone, so rude.
I knew you'd be on the phone.
Whenever there's a slight delay with you.
You're either on the phone or you're eating.
Well, no, because obviously someone's trying to run a business. Someone doesn't just do drag races every day.
For their career.
The viewers might be thinking I'm winning at life as a result if this is all I have to do. My life is a lot more complicated than this, honestly, it really is. Sometimes I have to go around corners as well as in a straight line.
What a hard life you have. Anyway, I'm in a Bentley GT, and you know this colour, I found out today. Do you know what this colour's called, Matt?
It's called cricket ball red. It's a bit too dark, I think, for a cricket ball. I agree, it's a bit burgundy.
But what a great name though. Do you remember back in the day, the Audi TTs where it had like the baseball leather interior?
That was cool as well. I'm taking it back. The old school watchers, you'll know.
Yeah, shall we do a drag race?
Porsche against Bentley. This is going to be interesting.
Before we do this drag race, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, if you'd like to follow the guy who's lent me this car to drag race, bless him, his name is Harry Turver and his Instagram is @supercarharry. He's actually left his wallet in here. I'm expected to find lots of money. Let's do a sound check. You go first, Yianni. Go on, rev your engine.
Stops at 3,000. Poor.
Did you actually rev it? I thought you were just on the phone and ignoring me. Did you rev it?
It's not the one, mate.
All I can hear is the engine of this, which is slung out over the back wheels. Let's hear this one. Now, this has a soft limiter like other Porsches, but Harry's told me a trick today. What I do is put the car into drive, pull both paddles, and now I rev it. The soft limiter should be gone. Let's see. Nice little cheat. Nice little cheat. Oh, this engine is lush. It revs all the way up to 9,000 RPM. Right, now we can get on with the drag race. Before we do, please make sure you follow us on Instagram @Carwow. Let's do it.
Buying a new car? Then head to Carwow and my team will help you find your next car at a fair price. Carwow, your one-stop car buying comparison site.
What is the tyre pressure requirements for this Porsche? 29. 2 and 23. It's not far off, wet air. I think these tyres will be fine as long as I get some heat into them, so I'm just going to warm them up. No, they're no warmer. They look lower. Oh well. Actually, Sam, I'm just going to check the launch very quickly. Just stay where you are.
F my life, this guy.
Okay.
One eternity later.
Close off the line.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
That Bentley's pitching.
Woo! This Bentley went all right.
It looks so cool. I might just get him though.
Oh, he's coming past me now.
It's close. This is so close.
Oh, it's close though. That was close, mate.
You got away good, I got away good. It's so evenly matched and they're such different cars.
They are so different. I'll be honest, I thought you was going to absolutely batter me.
I was really pleased with this.
It's because it's a cricket ball. It's a fast bowler.
Nice.
So then what exactly happened? Well, both cars completed the standing quarter mile in 11.5 seconds, although the Porsche beat the Bentley by the smallest of margins when you look at the freeze frame.
Right, now we can have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour with the cars in their comfiest setting. This doesn't really have a comfy setting, it just is what it is.
Okay, here we go.
3, 2, 1, go. Kick down. Oh, the way this revs all the way up to 9. Whoa!
Oh, this ain't bad. It is a heavy car.
Oh, this engine!
140.
I love this engine! Right, that's enough.
For a big car though, that just hauls in urine.
Utmost luxury. I can hear all like the stones just rattling around in the wheel arches. We've got a roll cage behind me. What's your driver's seat like?
Like sitting on a sofa, mate. It's that luxury. Really, really nice car.
Do you know what? I've never understood why you don't get a Bentley. I love that car. I think it'd really suit you.
Is it not showy enough?
It's actually very boring, like the Rolls-Royce Wraith. They're nice, they look great, just boring.
I love it. I think you're wrong. Let me know that he's wrong in the comments. It's wrong.
You're wrong.
So get into third gear, manual, car in sport setting. This is always sport. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, naturally aspirated response. Oh, it's close though.
Oh, this is doing all right. Listen, this is good.
Hello? What's going on here?
140.
This car vibrates like crazy. Maybe it's the tyres. Whoa, I think it's going to take it now.
160.
Yeah, he's got the torque.
170, I'll take that, mate. I will take that. This is really fast. It's really deceiving, but really nice. I'm very impressed.
Is it still boring?
Matt, I'm driving in a straight line.
Okay, so this is a test, Yianni. If you win this brake test,
I'm calling foul that you must brake early.
because there's no way that that big thing beats a Porsche 911 GT3.
In the brake test, there's no way. So I'm watching you. The world is watching you.
And we'll find out if you're a cheat.
It's all mind games, so you're trying to make me brake late.
No, no, no!
Mate, do you not put your foot on the brake? Are you scared or something?
I think you just brake early. Or maybe I brake late. I don't know what's going on with this.
It is what it is.
So I won drag, I won the first rolling race, you won the second one, and you won the brake test. But I won the drag, so I win overall, yeah?
That would be correct, as we always say. Whoever wins the drag wins the day.
So, when it comes to battle of the GT cars, the 911 GT beats the Continental GT for performance. It was a lot closer than I ever thought it would be, and I bet you thought it would be. Now, to make sure that you don't miss any of these kind of unusual drag races, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. Also, if you want to check out our merch, it's in the carousel below the video, and of course, follow us on Instagram at carwow, and follow Harry, who lent me this car, at Supercar Harry. Link is below as well. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna see what I can buy online now with Harry's bank card. I'll see you later.
You look really small though and really low. I assume that seat doesn't go up.
I'm just short, you know me. Actually, that's not true. I've got short legs. I've actually got the torso of a man of about 6'5", but I've just got these little legs like a minion.
You sound like a minion.
Keep up, come on, get with me. Well, if you just do it properly, I wouldn't have to do that.